right after a post-war era Americana, for lack of a better word. You'll see modern contemporary expressions as well. So it really is a real intentional show that's going to, I'm hoping, become a valuable component of the museum experience. So when people want, so it's not just, it's not, so we get to see all the things in the museum, like going through the exhibit, and then you're going to be able to see a living history performed through song and dance. So it's a very interesting take, but at the same time, I think that the storyline and I think everything we're doing has a universal appeal all throughout. You're gonna hear, if you go to our show, you're gonna hear some familiar songs, some new songs, some songs that's gonna make you stand up and be so proud of who we are as Indigenous people.